Hello student and welcome to today's chemistry lecture. Now student, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the new chemistry chapter. That's the name is transition and inner transition elements. So in today's lecture we have discussed the new chapter. Its name is transition and inner transition element. This chapter is very important for the examination view and its weightage is 6 to 8 marks. याचं वेटेज किती आहे पहा या ठिकाणी 6 to 8 मार्क्स एवढं त्याचं काय आहे या ठिकाणी वेटेज आहे. म्हणजे तुम्हाला हा वेटेजसाठी खूप असा इम्पॉर्टंट चॅप्टर आहे. सो we have discussed the transition and inner transition elements in brief. Now student, you know the modern periodic tables. सगळ्यांना modern periodic table माहिती आहे. And this modern periodic table, the elements are classified into 4 blocks. Modern periodic table मधले जे काही elements आहेत हे 4 ब्लॉक मध्ये काय केले तर डिवाइड केलेत. Now these are divided into 4 blocks, that is S block element, P block elements, D and the F block elements. Now in the modern periodic table, elements are classified into S, P, D and F block elements. Modern periodic table मध्ये जे काही elements आहेत ते या 4 blocks मध्ये काय केले तर डिवाइड केलेत. दिस वन इज द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ elements. एलिमेंट्सचं क्लासिफिकेशन कशा कशामध्ये केलं आहे. एस ब्लॉक, पी ब्लॉक, डी ब्लॉक अँड द एफ ब्लॉक. दिस क्लासिफिकेशन इज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ, हे जे काही क्लासिफिकेशन केले, दिस क्लासिफिकेशन इज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल्स और द सबशेल्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, द ऑर्बिटल्स or the subshell in which the last electron enters in the atom. म्हणजे लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन किंवा ॲटमचा इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्या सबशेल मध्ये एंटर होत असतो त्याच्यावरून हे क्लासिफिकेशन केलेलं आहे. दिस क्लासिफिकेशन इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ॲटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स और द सबशेल इन विच लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंटर इन द atom on this basis. Okay, so this one is the classification of modern periodic table. Now in case of S block elements, the last electron enters into the S subshell. In case of the P block elements, the last electron enters into the P subshell. And in case of the D block elements, the last electron enters into the n-1 D subshell. That is called as the penultimate shell, and so it is called as the D block element or the transition elements. याला काय म्हटलं जातं? Transition elements. This one is the transition elements. In case of a F block element, the last electron enters into the pre-penultimate shell, that is n-2 F subshell. So this is called as the inner transition element. This is called as the inner transition element. Okay, so what is the transition elements? The D block elements are called the transition elements and F block elements are called the inner transition elements. Okay, so these one are the definition of transition and the inner transition element. Means in D block element, last electron enters into the n-1 D subshell, so it is called as the transition elements. And in case of the F block element, the last electron enters into the n-2 F cell, so that is why called as the inner transition elements. Out of these 4 block elements, S block element consisting of 2 electrons and 1 orbit. S block मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असतात? 2. P block consisting of 3 orbits, that is px. Second one py Third one, pz, it consisting of 6 electron. In case of a d subshell or a d block element, it consists of 5 orbits. So first one dxy, second one dyz, third one dxz, next one dx square minus y square, and last one dz square. So it consisting of 10 electrons. Okay, so d consisting of 10 electrons. In case of f orbital, it consisting of 7 orbits, and it consisting of the electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This one is the F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. So it consisting of the 14 electron. So out of these 4 orbitals, S orbit consisting of 2 electrons, P orbit consisting of 6 electrons, D orbit consisting of 10 electrons, and F orbit consisting of 14 electrons. Okay. Now, in the S subshell, electrons enters into according to the above principle. ह्या ऑर्बिट मध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंटर होतात अकॉर्डिंग टू द अबाव प्रिन्सिपल, दॅट इज 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, next one 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. Next one 5s, 4d, 5p. Next one 6s, 4f. Next one 5d, 6p. Then next one 7s, 5f. Next one 6d, 7p. According to the above principle, electrons are enters into the subshell or the atomic orbital from lower energy level to the higher energy level. ह्या जे काही सबशेल आहेत यांच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन अकॉर्डिंग टू द अबाव प्रिन्सिपल नुसार ॲड केले जातात फ्रॉम एनर्जी लेवल, फ्रॉम लोअर एनर्जी लेवल टू द हायर एनर्जी लेवलनं हे काय केले जातात याच्यामध्ये एंटर होतात. म्हणजे पहिला इलेक्ट्रॉन ह्या एसमध्ये, नंतर 2s मध्ये, नंतर 2p, नेक्स्ट वन 3s, नेक्स्ट वन 3p, 4s, देन नेक्स्ट 3d. अशा पद्धतीने हे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय केले जातात याच्यामध्ये एंटर्स केले जातात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल द स्कॅन्डियम. फॉर एक्झाम्पल काय म्हटलं आपण, स्कॅन्डियम की डी ब्लॉक मधला तो एलिमेंट्स आहे. डी ब्लॉक कन्सिस्टिंग ऑफ ऑल मेटल्स. डी ब्लॉक मध्ये काय असतात, सगळे मेटल्स असतात. सो इन स्कॅन्डियम इट्स ॲटॉमिक नंबर 21. इलेक्ट्रॉन एंटर्स फ्रॉम लोअर एनर्जी लेवल टू द हायर एनर्जी लेवल. So first of all 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then next one 3s2, 3p6, then 4s2, then 3d1. Okay, how many electrons? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 12, 16, 16 plus 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, 18, 20 and 21. So this one is the electronic configuration of स्कॅन्डियम. आता आपण हे जर शेल वाईज लावायचं झालं तर आपण 3D अगोदर लिहिणार आणि 4s नंतर लिहिणार आहे. म्हणजे ह्याचं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन झालं 3D 1 4s2. शेलनुसार लावलं. अगोदर 2 2 नंतर 3 नंतर 4s. देन झिंक. इट्स ॲटॉमिक नंबर 30. व्हॉट इज द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d. How many electrons enters into the d subshell? Now in D subshell enters the 10 electrons. So this one is the electronic configuration of zinc. Now, in case of this D orbital, the last electrons enters into the D subshell. Last electron enters, or the differentiating electrons enters into the D subshell or the penultimate shell. Penultimate shell. So that's why it is called as the transition elements or the D block elements. यांनाच काय म्हटलं जातं? Transition elements or the D block elements. Now, in this electronic configuration, this configuration is the nearest noble gas element configuration. What is the atomic number? 2 plus 2, 4, 10, 18. What is the electronic configuration of 18, or which is the element of 18 electronic configuration? Argon. So here write the inert noble gas element, that is argon, 3d1 4s2. So this one is the electronic configuration of scandium. Argon, it is always written in a square bracket because it is the noble gas element. So argon, 3d1 4s2. In case of zinc, this one is again inert noble gas element configuration. So argon, 3d1, 10 4s2. So this one is the electronic configuration of scandium and zinc. Now student, in case of atomic orbitals of d orbit, or the atomic diagram of d orbitals. Now see here, this one is the nucleus. In that, okay, this one is the nucleus, this one is the shell, and this one is the next shell. So this one is the NS122, that is valence shell. That is valence shell. Okay, this one is the N-1D, which is N-1D, that is penultimate shell. That is penultimate shell. Okay. So last electrons enters into the penultimate shell. That's why it is called as the D block element. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये last electron हा D subshell मध्ये enter होतो. So the element in which the last or the differentiating electrons enters into the N-1D subshell, or it is also called as the penultimate shell. So these are called as the D block elements or transition elements. D block elements लाच transition elements असं म्हटलं जातं. So this one is the definition of transition elements. Now the general electronic configuration of transition elements or the D block element is general electronic configuration is N-1 D1 to 10 NS1 to 2. So this one is the general electronic configuration of transition elements, where N is equal to number of periods. N काय आहेत? Number of periods. So D block in between 4 to 7 period. So N is equal to 4 to 7. या ठिकाणी N ची जी व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे ती काय असणार आहे? 4 to 7 मध्ये असणार आहे. So this one is the general introduction. As per the modern definition, now in case of the modern periodic table, we have seen near right position the S block elements in the left hand side, P block at the right hand side, and D blocks in the middle of the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table मध्ये D block कुठे आहे तर middle ला आहे. Now student, in this case S block elements are generally highly electropositive. Okay, and the p block elements consisting of metal, non-metals and the metalloids, and these are the highly electronegative, that is these are the less electropositive, less electropositive. So these d block elements are lies between these s block elements and the p block elements. Now student, as we grow from or the d block elements which shows a gradual change as we grow from left to right, जो काही डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स आहे इट शोज द ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज ॲज वी गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राईट, फ्रॉम हायली इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह टू highly electropositive to low or the less electropositive characters. So these one are the ट्रान्झिशन एलिमेंट्स. याच्यामध्ये डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स काय दाखवतो तर तो एस ब्लॉक आणि पी ब्लॉकच्या मिडलला आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये तो तो ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज दाखवतो कशामध्ये इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह कॅरेक्टरमध्ये. इट शोज द ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राईट, दॅट इज फ्रॉम हायली इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह टू low electropositive characters. So this one is again called as the transition elements or the D block elements. As per modern definition of transition elements, the transition elements are those elements which have incompletely filled d orbital in its ground state or in a common oxidation state. That is, its electronic configuration is D1 to D9. म्हणजेच याची ट्रान्झिशन इलेमेंटची अजून दुसरी एक डेफिनेशन आहे काय पहा. सो द ट्रान्झिशन इलेमेंट is again defined as those elements, transition elements are those elements which have incompletely filled, which have incompletely filled d orbitals in its ground state, in their ground state or any common oxidation state are called the transition element. म्हणजेच transition elements are those elements which have incompletely filled d orbitals in their ground state or any common oxidation state, that is they having the electronic configuration d1 to d9. in simple way d1 to d9 electronic configuration असणारे elements हे transition elements आहेत. For example, copper, its electronic configuration 3d94s1 in the iron. Okay, but it shows the electronic configuration 3d10 4s2, 3d10 4s2, and when it shows the iron, so it gives the 3d9 4s1. Okay, so this 3d9 means it is the incompletely filled d orbitals. कारण d orbitals मध्ये मॅक्झिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन किती आहेत 10 आहेत. त्याच्यापैकी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हा लॉस झाला, त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन आहे 3d9. सो दिस वन इज द ट्रान्झिशन इलेमेंट्स. बट इन केस ऑफ झिंक, its electronic configuration 3d10 4s2. ऑब्वियसली याच्या पुढे काय आहे आर्गॉन आहे. देन कॅडमियम 4d10 5s2. देन मर्क्युरी 5d10 6s2. Here 6s2. Now in this case zinc, cadmium and mercury in the d block elements are completely filled d orbitals. In case of zinc, cadmium and Mercury, the d orbitals are the completely filled. These are the completely filled. So these are the non-transition elements. These are the non-transition elements. त्यामुळे हे काय आहेत? नॉन ट्रान्झिशन एलिमेंट्स आहेत. So student, above the examples we can say that all transition elements are the d block elements, but all d block elements are not transition elements. सगळे ट्रान्झिशन इलेमेंट्स हे काय आहेत? डी ब्लॉक इलेमेंट्स आहेत. मात्र सगळे डी ब्लॉक इलेमेंट्स हे ट्रान्झिशन इलेमेंट्स नाहीत. ओके, सो दिस वन इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ transition elements. Okay student, now the remaining point of this chapter will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.